Hello guys, my name is Antonio. In our video lesson, we are going to model a mezzanine. In this project, we observe several details, but just the details in the layout. Um, Even though we don't have the front view of this project, we are going to suppose the height and other details of this project because we don't have the another data of this project. Okay, let's go. Let's start here, putting the view in the top view, clicking here, top view, and we are going to design, to model the grid. Okay, let's see. We have 20 meters on one side, and we have 11 and 3. We are going to put 11. Okay, let's go. We are going to click here in building grid, type the starting point and the second point. The second point, let's observe that we have the two coordinates x and y, and we are going to put in y. In x, let's put 11,000. Let's put 20,000 and 0. Okay, our grid is ready. Yes, okay. Let's click here and click with the right button, Advanced Properties, 2011. Okay, let's change here to small letters to be differentiation. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's take a look here. We have 11, and here we have 4.3 meters. Let's put in top view and another grid. 0, 0, 0. Hit enter, and now we're going to put 11,000. Let's see here. 4, 3, 0, 0, comma 0. Okay. Now we have two grids. Let's click here and put small letters. Okay. Okay. We started putting the reference of the columns of the project. Now we see here, I will change some points in this project, okay? Because we have a column here, another column, and another column. And we don't have the distance between the columns. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's suppose that we have 5 meters of distance between the, let's put here, the group 1, let's change here to 5. Okay, distance between the columns. Here we have 5 meters. Okay, 5 meters. Okay, 5 meters. Okay, and here we have, click here, not here because this is the another reference, but click here or double click and let's here group put 3. Okay, let's understand here. When you put 3 in this field, always the group will be subtracted by the group index, that is 1, and we have the division of the distance, the front distance of this mezzanine. Okay, so if you have 11,000 here, divided by 2, you have 5,500, okay, millimeters. Our units here in millimeters. Okay, let's see. Okay, very good. Now we have the reference. Here we are going to change here. Let's put in group 2. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, very good. And here let's change the group to 2. Let's take a look. Okay, yes, it's okay. It's okay. Our grid is ready. Now let's put the concrete base here. Let's put in top view. Click on tab objects and take a look here. We have isolated footing, concrete column, we have rectangular slab, isolated footing, specify the position of the footing. We have 2 ways to put the isolating footing here. You can, for example, hit the shift of the keyboard and hit the right click button, and you have access of all the temporary snaps. If I click endpoint, okay, we have the endpoint here. And now we are going to model. We are changing the characteristics of this concrete slab. Okay, that's here. It's okay. Isometric view. Okay, click here, advanced properties, and the length is 800, and is for 400. Let's change to 500. Okay, block shape, position, name, concrete foundation. Click here in model row. Okay, because after you are going to search, if you are going to search this element, you will perceive that you will be very easier. Sorry for my English. Okay, it's not good. User attribute, positioning, it's okay. Shape and material, you can change the type of concrete here. It's okay, very good. Okay, let's take a look. Let's put the same here using an AutoCAD command. Copy, select objects, specify the base point 0, 0, 0. Now you can use Shift on the keyboard and point the temporary snap here. Here. Okay, let's take a look. Yes, let's put here endpoint here and here. Okay, ask on the keyboard, and we are going to finish all the concrete, because in all these concrete slabs we are going to put a column. Okay, copy, repeat copy, or just hit enter, specify the base point, 0, 0, 0. Let's no, was not good. Okay, select del, let's go, click copy, select objects, specify base point. Okay, now it's good. It's very useful, this command of AutoCAD, because you save time. You don't need to model several times. Okay, very good. Ask and save. Let's save the project. Autodesk Advanced Steel, Mezzanine. Let's see what is the our client. Trap. Trap is the name of our client. Trap 2. Okay, save it. Okay, very good. Let's go to our second lesson of Autodesk Advanced Steel.